In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file through Yahoo email. By the end, you'll confidently attach and send a PDF from your Yahoo Mail account without any hiccups. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. On the home page, look toward the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you already see the option for an existing account, choose that to proceed. On the Sign In page, enter your account credentials carefully and follow any on-screen prompts, such as verification steps, until you're fully signed in. Take a moment to confirm you're on the main Yahoo page. Next, in the upper right area, click Mail to open your mailbox. This will take you into Yahoo Mail, where you can access your inbox and compose new messages. On the left side of the screen, choose Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Double check for typos here, since a small mistake can prevent your message from reaching the right person. Add a clear, concise subject that tells the recipient what the PDF is about, such as Project Proposal PDF or Invoice for March. Now let's attach the PDF. In the message window, click the Attach icon, then select Attach Files from Computer. Your file picker will open. Browse to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the file, and click Open. You should see an upload progress indicator, followed by the file name appearing beneath the subject or within the attachment area of the Compose window. If you don't see it, wait a moment for the upload to finish before moving on. A quick note here, make sure your PDF is within Yahoo Mail's attachment size limits. Large files may fail to upload or send. With the attachment ready, you can type a brief message in the body to add context, like a summary or instructions for the recipient. Keep it simple and specific so the person knows what to expect from the PDF. Also, check that your file name is clear and professional. When everything looks good, the recipient address is correct, the subject is set, and the PDF shows as attached, click Send. You should see a confirmation that your email was sent. If you want extra assurance, open your Sent folder to verify the message and attachment are there. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open mail, compose your message, attach the PDF from your computer, and send. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this tutorial if you need a quick refresher.